There's Jeremy Walk up there. Jeremy's working hard. Good job, Jeremy. So we're going to the other part of the Dock 1 or Bay 1. That's a nice cable there. Use that for all kinds of stuff. Come on, low weight. Come on, low weight. What do we got here? What do we got? So you got so 1380 or 40 minus 6120. That is our weight. So that's what, over 7,000 pounds, so over 3.5 tons. Not bad, not bad. Gonna get some over this Dock 1 here. Get a little bit of copper. A little bit of copper. See what we got going here.